What's up, everybody? I'm back and I'm filming on my iPad, so it's gonna be a little bit harder to film. But today I'm going to do my bike check. So I'm in my garage. I don't know where to put my camera down, so my iPad. So I'm probably gonna just put it down like that and sit down with my bike. I don't know. Let me think. Okay, guys. I'm really sorry I couldn't edit the video right. So I'm going to put all the not prices, all the prices of all the wheels, all the custom parts that I have on my bike before the video, like, so it's all the parts are gonna be now. You can check all my parts, and then I'm gonna explain all the parts. So I'm really sorry I couldn't edit right. So yeah, I'm sorry. So watch how it is. So I don't really care. Okay, this is my bike. It's a Sunday Blueprint, the 216 Blueprint, but I customized it and shit, I forgot to mention this tire. I forgot to find out how much this tire costs, but I'm gonna find out. So okay, so let's start. Let me get my phone because I have all the information on it. So let's get started. 1 second. Okay, let's start with the most expensive custom part on my bike. Is my back horror rim. My back horror rim. Yeah, it's my back horror rim. It's a full rim. It's a full wheel. I mean, it costs 100. Okay, you're gonna see it on the screen now. It costs $120. The full wheel that I got. Then let's go next to let's go to information of this bike. Let's do the information of this bike. 1 second. So the frame is 20-inch high 10 frame. Fork are 2-piece stereo tube welded preload bolt of my fork. Then my hand no, I don't have then my 1 second. My cranks are 170 millimeters, 3-piece chromoly cranks. Then my rims, except my front rim is 36H 20-inch. Then my front hub is a Sunday Low flange loose ball 36H front hub. I don't know what that means. I'm just reading it on the internet. I think somebody of you knows what that means. I mean, like, I know, like, the spokes are steel black. Tires are I don't have no chain. I have a KMC Z410. I didn't know I have a KMC chain. Okay, guys, pretty shitty. KMCs I like KMC. I'm not saying anything bad about it. So my top tube length is 22-inch TT. So my head tube angle is 75 degrees. My seat tube angle is 71. Chain stay length 30. I'm just gonna, guys, nobody gives a shit about that. So let's just go to the parts. So I have my new Hulk bars for $65. I got them. My friend gave me them. All the photos are gonna be on the screen. Then I have my high-rise King stem. These are the King handlebars too. King Hulk handlebars, and I have a King high-rise stem for $50. Then I have my my Odyssey pedals, my black and purple camo pedals. 1 second. Let me show you. Yeah, you'll see everything on the screen. I don't remember how much they cost, those pedals. I remember in the shop they cost $18. So let's just put it $18. So my front tire is a Sunday Street Sweeper tire for 26, 30 and 30 bucks. Then I have a long neck ODI grips for $12. Then I have my, let me just change my bike. Then I have my Salt AM cold forged pegs. Every peg is for 8 euros, but I'm gonna check on dollars how much it costs. So on the screen is gonna be also how much in dollars it is. Then I have a Kink seat, stealth pivot seat. It's actually private. I never knew it. I just checked it out. It's gonna be in black. It's not the. There's a brown on the photo. Mine is the black one. Okay. Then I have. Why is it? Oh yeah. Then I have a Black Ops Micro Drive Dual Core ULBMX sprocket for. It's only $17 here, but in the shop it costs $30. But let's count it for $17. Wait, let me check. Yeah, we're not doing any low prices. We're putting it on list price, so it's $17. I mean 18. Then I have a headset, my new headset. It's called a headset. The brand name. This is my new headset because my other one broke. It's threadless headset. I know that myself, and it's $30. Pretty low for a headset. But this is a beginner bike, so it doesn't have an internal headset. This is the threadless headset. Okay, next thing. And last thing on my bike that is pretty much customized is my bottom bracket. I got a new bottom bracket that costs $22. So the price is. You know, I need to go count all of that. Oh, I forgot to tell you. And my frame. So guys, the frame now. The frame, the forks, the front hub, all this, the whole bike costs $400. But I checked all the different parts. The front full wheel is only $100. I checked it. You go check it out if you don't believe. I couldn't find the photos, but I found the price. The front full wheel is $100 because this is a beginner bike. Then the fork is only $50. The frame is $200. So I found all of that out. I didn't know I could find it. I thought it's like a beginner full bike, but I actually found it. So I'm gonna count everything now, and I'll come back with the answer. Okay, let's get it. Okay guys, I'm back with the number, how much my bike costs. Guys, so this bike costs, oh I forgot, oh my god, I'm so stupid guys. I forgot one more thing. I need to go find out how much the Kink tire costs because this is a full Kink wheel, it's a Kink tire, so I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the Saver tire. It costs $19. This is the one that I have, a Saver tire. $19, so plus 19 equals. Okay guys, this is the reveal how much my bike costs. I don't know why it costs so much, but I put all the parts together. I mean, I checked the prices of everything in this bike, literally everything. So this is the price. Because I have a front full wheel and I have a back full wheel. So I didn't like go all the spokes and all that stuff. So my bike costs $792. Okay, I need to make a photo of that. $792 for this bike. I didn't know that it's gonna cost so much. But my bike, I think it's the most expensive. I don't know it's gonna be so expensive, but yeah. So I got this bike to a full custom, so it's now $792. I was so, why? I thought it was gonna be like $600 for everything. Well, I think the thing that made it really expensive is the bars, the stem, the full back wheel, the pedals, the sprocket. All those parts that are custom on my bike. Pretty much got this bike through the best thing. Okay, guys. So last thing, let's do a last fakie. I mean, like, let's just do a fakie. Okay, guys. Last thing for the day is a fakie. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. I really wanted to do a bike check, but I already did one. I just did another bike check, and then my first bike check. Whew, it was pretty cool. I didn't know my bike will cost so much, so it was good for me, and I think everybody knows how much my bike costs now. And peace out.